Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. I am a market partner with Monat Global, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about who Monat is, what is Monat, and how you can be a part of it. Normally, this is the presentation that we do at any event, whether it is a Super Saturday, whether it is a one-on-one presentation with your family or friends, whether you're hosting an event at your house. This is what we do. Our top leaders do it to our newbies. So it is very easy and simple and duplicatable, and it's all coming from right here. You can order these. They also come in your welcome packet, but you literally go through this. It's a step-by-step guide, and that's what I'm going to be going over with you today. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or anything that I can help you with, or if you need clarification with anything. So who is Monat? It is combined technology, science, and the power of nature itself to specialize in anti-aging hair care. It is family owned and run, positively impacting over 200,000 families financially with great hair in the US, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Monat is modern nature, the two words combined. Family, love, gratitude, and culture. And you'll see that we do have some shirts. Oh, there you go. Just like that. But it really is what everything that Monat embraces. We care about more than just your hair. We pride ourselves on the naturally based products that we create, yet true pride is in the lives that we change through the incredible opportunity, because changing lives is seriously fun business. Sorry, messed that up. Monat gratitude is a culture of gratitude. What I love about this company is, regardless of where we are in the US, or Canada or the United Kingdom, whenever we get together, we always make sure that we have an opportunity to give back to whatever community that we're in. So that's amazing. Why Monat? Hair care is an $85 billion industry projected to be $102 billion by the year 2024. Monat is the first company focused solely on hair care in the social marketing space. So even though other direct sales companies do have hair care lines that are naturally based, we are the only ones that are specifically focused just on hair care, meaning we don't have a skincare line, we don't have nutrition or supplements or anything like that that is different from just hair care, which is amazing. We can focus on one thing. In 2016 through 2017, Monat experienced 700% growth. We are looking towards global expansion. Currently, we are just in the US, as well as Canada and the United Kingdom. That happened earlier this year, which was so exciting. It is a consumable product, meaning everybody and anybody can use this. Men, women, all ethnicities, anybody can use this product. And everybody washes their hair, right? So we're not asking anybody to change their habits. We're not asking anybody to, hey, try this supplement, add it into your day. We're just simply asking them to swap out what they currently have to something a little bit better, something that's better for them, something that will help their hair grow, something that will really transform their hair from what they were currently using. Clinically proven ingredients. Prior to launching, they did do clinical research trials at Princeton Trichology, and we have all of the clinical trials to share with you. If you need them, please let us know. Developed by a world-renowned scientist and scientific advisory board. Also, Monat comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. We have a 3-tier card program. The thing that I love is that as distributors, we have no inventory to carry. So everything ships directly to everybody's door. Renowned compensation plan, retail and distribution, manufacturing is all centered in Miami, Florida. So it's great because it's all made in the US. All right, so how can you be a part of this wonderful opportunity? Number one, you can be a retail customer. And what that means is you'll pay full price plus tax and shipping, but you'll still get our 30-day money-back guarantee. Option two is becoming a VIP. What does it mean to be a VIP? Well, for $19.99, you pay a one-time lifetime membership fee, and that gives you 15% off of all the products, as well as free shipping and with orders over $84. You have flexible scheduling. You can push out, if you have a flagship, you can push that out every 60 days. Also, we have the option to do it every 30 days if that's something that you'd like. You also have access to flash sales and a limited edition product in every flagship that you get. Or option 3, which is what I opted to do, is you can become a market partner. And what that means is you get 30 to 40% off, or I'm sorry, 30 to 40% back in your retail sales. You also earn 15 to 25% on VIP sales. You get bonuses, commissions on team sales, incentive trips, and special training events. You can build an international business, earn a white Cadillac for free, and you can join for as little as $99. There are product packs from $99 all the way to $649. So a little bit about what is Monat. In a few words, Monat is a premium naturally based hair care company with naturally based ingredients that actually work. Whether you're looking for volume to turn frizzy fried strands into smooth supple locks, Monat has the solution that you're looking for. The flagship product is our Rejuvenate Oil, provides nourishment, rejuvenation, and anti-aging benefits to skin, hair, and scalp. Long-lasting shine, great for all hair types, and it's infused in 35 of our products. We say no to parabens, silicones, silicones, phthalates, plastic microbeads, harmful colors and fragrances, and many more. Also, Monat is Leaping Bunny certified, so that means that we are vegan. That's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.